was built to last. When the webs are weaving, I could change the past.
Hey guys, it's new bike day. On my way to see Dan from Coastal Motorcycle Centre to pick up my new 2025 KTM 350 Champions Edition. If you know my channel, you know I'm a sucker for a special edition. This bike will join the 2021 WESS that I have at home, and the video will be linked in the description for that one if you haven't seen it. The Champions Edition, it's not the first time KTM have released the Champions Edition. They did so in 2010. And although the WESS likely has a few more hard parts ticked, this bike looks like a phenomenal machine, and I look forward to sharing you the vision and obviously the personalization that'll endure after. All right, see you guys, bye.
Okay, so I've given you a good look around the bike as the factory intended. Obviously I have added a couple little things straight out of the shop, which was the FMF Carbon Pipe. I've got the new tyres, get rid of the dot tyres, thrown a moose in the back and a super heavy duty in the front. Just to give you an idea of what came on the bike, that's the pipe that came with it. Not bad, just too heavy. And obviously just a few things now to personalise it, just to make it mine. I mean, they did a really good job. I'm not going to change much, I'll be honest. Number plates, just throwing on the radiator guards. I've got my steering dampener to go on, a few little orange bits and pieces, bleeders, my extended brake pedal, and the low bars to suit the dampener to bring that centre of gravity back down again. So watch this bike turn into my bike.